Those who are beginners, I want you guys to know the mistakes I made so you do not have to make them. It gotta be a nice little safe night. Don't get in no fights, Shayna. Because if you get in a fight and somebody know your wig's not on, they're gonna test you. So if somebody come in my face and be like, yo, we gonna fight, I don't like you, I'm gonna be like, yo, honestly, I'm hype. Ooh, it's weird. Ah! It's not even the done, and they came out looking good. Well, so far. Yo, this is definitely making me wanna go back to my long hair. Like, yo, you couldn't tell me nothing when I had my straight long hair. What? Nothing. This little 14 inches is giving me life. And now I feel like I just want to leave it like this. But this was meant to be a bob, so chop. Oh, the thing about this wig, which is aggravating me right now, is it's loose. I don't know if it's because when I was trying to sew it on the sewing machine, it got loose from when I had to like keep taking it out. Maybe that's what happened, and it got a little stretched out. But I could fit like a whole 2 hands back here. Like, the hand is in here, and I'm definitely gonna do an elastic band on it. I should have some somewhere in here. I hope I have the thick size. Y'all, I ended up using only 2 bundles. This is 2 bundles. I think I'm gonna use these styling scissors and my brother's razor cutter, whatever, for his hair. I'm about to look in the camera in the full eye. Look right here. Let's start further down because, yeah, I don't want to cut too much and then be tight. So we're gonna start. Oh my god, I get so nervous. Since I got the Perfesh scissors, I might not even need the other thing in my bob. Oh, the reason why I'm not cutting on my blockhead right now is because I tried like doing this like a long time ago on another wig that I had, and for some reason I feel like that wig makes my head like super round. So I cut it on myself. No, I cut it on the wig head, and then when I put it on myself, it was uneven, and I'm like, nah, that looked dumb. So I'm cutting it on myself. Then I'm gonna put it on the wig head to see if it still ended up even, and then if that works, then it works. And I'm like, why it don't look like the beauty gurus like when they do it? And I'm like, you know what, Shayna? You figure it out how it works for you, and you do that. So that's what I'm doing. All right, this mirror is mad tiny, so I think it needs to be a little shorter for the look that I'm going for. That VMA look that I got, that's what I'm going for. So let's go a little shorter. Take it slow, Shayna. Take it slow, because once you cut, you cannot go back. Yeah, and I think I have to cut it a little shorter because the front is a little shorter. So I think I'm going to go with this length. And if I don't like it later on, I could just cut it again. I looked on, yo, this music is mad loud. I hate having to do videos while people's around. But, can you turn down that music, please? I forgot what I was saying, but I'm gonna go with this length. This 14 inch is like the goal for my hair for 2020. I want to have this hair goal by like May 2020.
I'm like low-key hype, not trying to be hype. Because it took forever, but
Which one y'all like better? This side long, or this side? All right, I'm gonna take it off my head. I'll put it on this mannequin head real quick, and we're gonna see if it's what I said. Don't mind these. Don't mind them. Okay, so right side. So yeah, I don't know, cause right now you see how it's going down like this, and if I was to put it on my mannequin head like this, and I was to chop it straight across, it would be mad short, because this, as you see before, was not how I cut it. So, and I don't know, this is on correctly. So somebody tell me something. Let me know why my layers are going down like this and they're not going across like how I had it. Somebody tell me, because I don't know. See? And look. See? It was a setup. I don't know. Y'all YouTubers are setting me up or something. Who's setting me up? All right, let's go to the bathroom. All right, we're in the bathroom, and I'm so hyped. If y'all know of a different way that would be easier to do this other than putting it on that wig head, let me know. I have a foam wig head. And I got a little beanie here like me, so let me go see if that's gonna work. I'll be right back. Hey, all right. Let me put this on, and let's see. Ooh. This might be the answer. I think I'm gonna have to cut just like this. Yep. I ain't really got the setup to show y'all, but this is all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on the sink, and I'm gonna cut like this. Just like this. I'm gonna cut a little bit like this just to make sure this is the right length I want. So when I put it back on my head, I'm like, okay, I did cut it right. A razor probably would be faster, but I have used it before, but the way I'm nervous, nope, I'm gonna just go with this. This is working just fine. Let's not push my luck. And if you don't know what you're doing and you're not used to this, you're not like one of those YouTubers, don't be excited and be like, oh, snip, snip, snip. No, take your time. Take your time. Don't be dumb. Yep. That's the answer. This is the answer. Of course, I got to get a little shorter right there. All right. So I'm going to put it on this wig head. I'm going to cut it a little bit. And I'm going to come back. I already showed y'all how I was cutting it. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm back, y'all. Yo, you remember how I said, I was like, I'm going to just keep going with the scissors because I don't want to mess up and I'm not going to use the razor. I used it. I used it because I was like, it was moving too slow. So I used it to trim across a little bit. But then I went back to the razor. The scissors to clip the final clippings. So yeah, I'm going to cut this part of the lace off now. And don't think you're a pro just trying to cut off fast, because no.
I think I could cut a little bit more, especially on these sides. Maybe I can mark or something, color it black. I don't like that.
I'm going to just use some Gus to be glue to try to melt this lace down. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. I'm not gonna cut off any more than that. I'm gonna melt it down and see what happens. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do something about this. I'm gonna have to color that in. So I actually have Gorilla Glue too, but we're just gonna put a little bit of glue because yeah, I don't got time for the band, so that's what we're gonna do too. It gotta be a nice little safe night. Don't get in no fights, Shayna. Because if you get in a fight and somebody know your wig's not on, they're gonna test you. So if somebody come in my face and be like, yo, we gonna fight, I don't like you, I'm gonna be like, yo, honestly, you got it. You win. We don't even gotta fight. You win. Why? I ain't gonna tell them why. But in my head, I know that's why. That's why. So I'm gonna be nice. Well, I'm gonna just, you know what? I'm gonna just stay inside. I'm gonna just stay inside and I'm hide. No, I'm lying. I'm not gonna do that. But no fights, no fights. I don't like fighting anyway. I'm not a fighter anymore. Time is like going down, so I'm gonna just try to figure out this baby hair situation.
Before I cut my baby hairs, I like to form it in the shape that I want it to be because I am not good with the whole baby hair, laying your hairs down. So I don't want to cut it too short right away. So I like to kind of place it where I want to do it and then cut it.
And if I do that, yo, I've never did it like this and covered the whole middle, but we gonna see how that look. We gonna see how that look today. I want to put this baby in my hair, a little bio silk.
Give it a little shine. It's like shine, but a little bit more of a shine. Ooh, I love you when you catch it, but it's shine more.
Yo, this little stupid comb that I got. This one I got from the beauty supply. It's heating up. It is. It don't work. This Annie brand, don't buy it because, I mean, it's working a little bit, but it ain't doing justice like a real hot comb, to be honest. So, yeah. All right, I feel like I'm done. That's it. Now I just gotta go find something to wear and get dressed and clean up my mess. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like what I did. Hopefully you... Oh, this looks so cute. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you like what I did, what I created. I hope you stayed to watch the whole thing so you was able to learn. You were able to learn some tips and tricks and things to do and not to do and how I actually made this happen because, boy, it took some time. But that's how you learn. You take your time, you go through trials and errors, and boom. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, share a video to inspire somebody to be like, yo, you could do this too. Like, just take your time. You know? This is the look with the hair and everything. Boom. Hope you guys like it. I want everybody to have an amazing, blessed new year. Have a, I know everybody says this all the time, fresh start, clean slate, do what you gotta do. Every year is a good time to restart, reset your mind, your goals, whether it's the same goals you're trying to gain or new ones. Like, just push through it, go through it. I'm saying this for you and I'm saying this for myself as well because I need it for myself. I just wish everybody the best of blessings, and I just want everybody to get what they desire if it's in good spirits and it's not harming anybody. I hope everybody get what they desire in life. And yeah, have a great new year, and I'll see you guys in 2020. Later.
Audio Jungle.